Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. I'm Go ahead and just up the new products on my right hands. This is a merchandiser cooler for single doors. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the units, the length is about like a 28.5 inches wide. And the depth of the unit is about like a 32 inches. And the overall height of the units is almost about like 83 and 3 4 inches tall. So as we can see, they have a big glass door at the front. And when we look in the bottoms of it, we can see they have a switcher and a light switcher right here. They give you the digital display right here, the controllers. You can check the temperatures. And also when you open the swing doors, we can see they come in with a full level adjustable height, the shelvings. And this clips, you can change the positions you want. And also they come in with big LED strips on the side of the units. And on top of the banner is LED lights too. And you can change or stick any pictures you want of it. And at behind of the unit inner side, you can see the big circling air fans on top of it. And we can see the inner side dimensions. It is about like a 27 inches deep and 25.5 inches wide. For the clearance access, the height is about like a 54.5 inches tall. And on side of the units, we also can see the ETL sanitation stickers, manufacturer the product cut sheets, and also the diagram information on the units too. When we're going back to the units, we can see the bottoms. They mount the compressors in the center of there, and they do come with standard 110 plugs on there too. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.